Well, there is a new alert tonight about whooping cough, which is highly contagious.
The U.S. is seeing record numbers of cases. Health reporter Stephanie Stahl joins us with more. We just had this conversation 2-3 weeks ago.
I know, and they're back up again, sorry to say. But doctors say vaccination rates have fallen. That has caused some of the increase in whooping cough. Also, cases dropped dramatically during the pandemic with COVID precautions, and now they are back up to pre-pandemic levels. Cases of whooping cough, also known as pertussis, are rising, with at least 577 cases reported nationwide for the week ending November 23rd. That's 10 times as many as a year ago.
The cough is severe. I mean, you can get fractured ribs, collapsed lungs, all sorts of complications from it.
Dr. Jeffrey Polanski with Virtua Health in South Jersey says symptoms can be similar to having a cold, with a classic cough that develops after 2 or 3 weeks. In Pennsylvania so far this year, there have been 2,657 cases of whooping cough. In all of last year, there were 305 cases. In New Jersey, 423 infections so far in 2024, compared to 257 cases last year. And in Delaware, there have been 46 cases this year, with just 2 in 2023. Doctors say part of the problem is anti-vax sentiment.
Well, we're seeing an increase in non-medical exemptions for vaccination, a decrease in vaccination rates, and that is partly why we're seeing an increase in this vaccine-preventable disease.
For younger children, whooping cough is covered in the DTaP vaccine. There are other versions for older children and adults. Boosters are recommended for pregnant women and anyone around newborns who can't be vaccinated until they're 2 months old.
When you do have a runny, stuffy nose or a cough, it is a good idea to get tested because there are specific treatments.
Whooping cough is treated with antibiotics. If untreated, it can lead to pneumonia and other serious infections. Now, the CDC says it usually takes about 5 to 10 days for symptoms to appear after being exposed. That's for people who are not vaccinated. Watch out for whooping cough.
Yeah, it's just continuing to be an issue.
Yes.
Got to be vigilant.
Thank you, Steph.
Appreciate you as always.